Okay, so we are recording now. Thank you. Thank you very much because once I go to my one part, I forgot everything. So nice. Thank you very much. So if his father, his father, see, he's a 10th standard fail actually, Sachin Tendulkar, and there was a lot of problem in their family when he want to play the cricket only on the ground, and father and the brother want him to study. So father want him to study, but his father, his brother supported him a lot. His brother himself is a doctor actually, so he was very educated, very like a talented person. But see, at a 10th standard, when you don't know anything, correct, and you are not knowing about your life direction, and if somebody is just wasting the time to play the cricket, and exactly we don't know what is the future, that time supporting and taking that decision itself is like a big thing in the life. Now these are the stories. I can go to the all the stories and everything, but what is exactly the ikigai? See, take a example. How many of you know about Mahabharata by any chance? Mahabharata, a little bit idea about Mahabharata. Okay, Mahabharata is actually a story of, which was like a very close to this one. So Mahabharata is a story of the Pandavas. There is a five brothers exactly. You read it, this very interesting story of the five brothers. Who are the five brothers? Anybody know five brothers in Mahabharata? Just raise your hand if by any chance you know. Anyone know five brothers in Mahabharata? By any chance? Nobody knows. Either all of you are in a stress tension. Let's it to be interactive. Please just unmute. So Evelyn is unmuted. So please, Evelyn, just give me the answer. I hope so you know the answer.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. So it's who was the first one? Beam. Hello. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, Evelyn. So one is
Yeah.
Evelyn, another
So
one is, let me know your name first.
Gurleen. Gurleen.
Karlin. Oh, wow. Amazing names, exactly.
Gurleen.
Okay, yeah, please continue. Sometimes I get confused. Sometimes it's getting break actually. Yeah, please tell. You are telling correctly. So first one is the eldest brother is
Eldest brother is no. There's one more. Yudhishthir.
awesome. Yeah, clap for her.
Yeah.
Okay, perfectly fine. Good.
And second was Bhim.
Okay, wow. Okay, nice.
Arjun.
Wow. Huh.
Sahadev. And Nakul.
Okay, awesome. Clap for the Evelyn and both of them exactly. And see, whoever is get the correct answer will be have some gifts for them at the end of the program. So I request Prashanti to just mention that one who is get the correct answer. Please write down their name. So we'll be have some special gifts from them. So first, everybody, please clap for them exactly. So that will be increase your acupressure. It will be change your physiology. It will give them the motivation, and you will also feel something. But what was the specialty of this story exactly? What is specialty about these five brothers? What are the speciality of them? Arjun is famous for what? Archery. Wow, awesome. She knows everything. Wow, good. And Beam was actually like
First,
famous for awesome Gada. That's Gada actually says
yeah.
that Gada Beam. And this one is like that. We're not going others. But what was that one makes Arjun the best archer in the world is his 100% dedication, his 100% commitment to the archery. Now, if it's not mean that Arjun cannot actually play the gada, it's not mean Arjun cannot play the other weapons. It's not mean that Arjun cannot, have the, what you can call that one is the bhala or something. He knows all the weapons, but he was master in one area, and that was his passion. So in a whole day, 24/7, he can play the archery. Why I given this story? Even their five brothers are there, five brothers from same background or whatever they're born and brought up in the same way, but still there was something very different among them all, and that is their passion. Even they are the warrior, but even the warrior they have the specific skill set. Now, when I'll come to the Ikigai, I will going to come to Ikigai in some time now. But please understand that one. What makes them difference? Now, what makes the Mozart difference? Mozart, everybody know, correct? Mozart. What's the specialty of the Mozart? Nobody
Piano.
knows? Yeah, yeah, Simone is selling something. If you want to give, you have to answer.
Piano.
Piano, awesome. But what the age, at what age he started practicing the piano or playing the piano?
5 or
Awesome.
3, somewhere very young.
Three itself he started, but five he was actually famous to play actually contest, like a concert. He was reached to that level at the age of 5. Anyway, it was like a God gift also in one way. You can understand it's all Sapna, whatever is there you can call. So he was gifted also in one sense, but that's what he understand and that's what makes him famous throughout the world now. Please understand, I'm coming to the important point. So it is if his father has to tell him, no, piano is the best things, now you should be study and become a computer engineer. So what should have his life exactly? What should have his life exactly? Tell me. So if any parents are here, so please understand when the parents, kids or middle age, see this moment you understand your passion, purpose, and when you understand, is it, see, first thing is that when I'm going to do a lot of exercise and activity for how to find out your passion. What is exactly the passion? Why it is required? So first thing now is exactly now, what is Ikigai? Now, when I come to the Ikigai, let me just sharing the screen now. So we'll go to the formal education now. So before going to the formal education, if anybody has any questions or doubt or something, so we are going to have the session, day-wise session, and it's going to be practical. So at the end of this 8 days, 9 days, you will be quite clear what you are good at in your life. What are your extraordinary skill set? What is that God gifted talent? You have to find out. A lot of time actually, because mama, papa telling study, 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 and then we miss that God gifted talent. See, study is fine. Definitely you can study. There is no doubt. I'm not telling you don't have to study. Your parents will be, tell that, well, don't do this course if I told you don't to study. But that is a secondary. The first part is that one. There is something special for everybody. There is a unique gift. Somebody born 6.5 means like 6. Somebody is like a very tall. Somebody like a short. Somebody like a very good into the singing. Somebody is good into the, like a mathematics. Somebody is good into biology. Somebody is good in the history. Somebody is good in geography. It's not mean that they should be master into everybody. But our education system forces us to study everything. But anyway, I don't want to go into the blame game and whatever it is, whatever is happening, let it be there. We'll see that one, what changes, what contribute you can do. But now my most important part is that one, how you people can understand that one. So this one practice that today we're going to do is a Vata Pitta Kapha test. How many of you are, I see that two brothers are there, Colin brothers are there, and I can see the Avlin and the her sister is there. So see, even two brothers, even the twins brother, or even the triplet sister or triplet brothers, they are unique. They are not maybe twins exactly, but they are unique, correct? Everybody is unique. Same parents, same school, same, like a same dress also, same books also, same environment also, but still they are unique. And we are going to find out that uniqueness, my dear friend. So how many of you are excited? If you are excited, just raise your hand. Yes. How is the Josh? I'm not seeing the Josh, then I will not do anything. I will sleep. See, actually, I drive yesterday 500 kilometers. Last 7 days, I was attending the Tony Robbins Date with Destiny program. It was starting in the night, 8 o'clock, and is to go another day afternoon to around 1:30, 2 o'clock. Then my daughter is 2 years old. She's to play with me. She will not allow to sleep me. I just slept 3 to 4 hours maximum in last 7 days. I can just reach yesterday night 10 o'clock. So you please understand, if you don't give me the Josh, I will not have the Josh. So your Josh and my Josh I want your energy also. So how is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Yes, that's what. But I don't want Josh, only thumbs up. Josh, you have to create. Maybe sometimes some people are like, but let's create the Josh. Okay, so everybody just jump and come back. Just like how we'll jump, come back. You can jump on the chair or you can jump somewhere. I don't know, but jump. That Josh has to become. How many of you are excited?
Yes.
Yes, that's what we want exactly. So when you are the Josh, you can say yourself, yes. So that Josh has to be there. Without that, nothing is happen. See, when I take the elder programs, I give
Yes.
Yes, yeah. So when I took the elders program, like they are 40, 35. Okay, so they were like seriously now. I want to become, like a pilot, airline pilot, but I am become now accountant. What to do? Sir, life is already pissed off. I want to fly in the sky. I am sitting into the room and doing the account work. Somebody want to become a doctor. He's become an engineer. Very pathetic engineer. Somebody want to become engineer. He's become a doctor because mother, father is doctor. Now he's the one of the pissed off doctor. Somebody's become, somebody become a CA. Why? Because my mother or father is a CA. So he's telling that legacy should be gone. He's not at all interested. He's interested in singing. Somebody want to play, but all. So what is this ikigai exactly is that? So you have to feel that one. Oh yes. And if you know that when your destination is like, see, there is a two types of life. One is a life by design and life by default. Please write down this one. You can live two types of life, either life by design or life by default. So how many of you want to live the life by default? Please raise your hand. Life by default. So life by default is the life given by the others. Their terms and condition, not your terms and condition. How many of you live that one? Raise your hand like this way. Any one of you? Okay, now let me ask another way. How many of you want to really design your life and then live that life and enjoy each and every moment and create something big and reach to the top 5% of the people in the world who are really into that field? Are you ready to find out that passion? So how many of you really want to create your life, really design your life, really create the plan, what exactly I want to achieve, where I want to lead, what exactly trigger up my emotions, what exactly help me to, excitement. See, somebody is excited to go to the playing the cricket, but mother, father telling that one, no, do the mathematical study, do the chemistry study, do the biological study. Is that person really connected to that things? No. I will give you that one, how to pass the exam, other way exactly, but how to excel into the one field of your life. So how many of you are excited to design your life? If you are, please raise your both the hands. Both the hands, Josh, both the hands, not one, both the hands. Colleen, Alvin, Evelyn, Siddhi. Siddhi, I'm not seeing your hand. I can just see your face. Arey, what is there, sir? Mama, Papa is so torturing. Life is not so easy. So many challenges. Arey, Ram Krishna, or Jesus, or God. I don't know what is exactly there. So, sir is telling so many big things. It don't making any sense. What, Lasil and Shasha? Okay, guys. Okay, fine. So let me come to that point. So take your pen and paper. First, we're going to do the test. This is unit test, and I'm going to touch your ancient science of Ayurveda to understand what type person you are. This is not done in my any of the Ikigai program, but I'm starting with that one. Anybody know about the Vata Pitta Kapha test? Anyone? No Vata Pitta Kapha test.
Heard about it, but don't know much.
Awesome. Yeah, it's actually, if you go to the any Ayurveda doctors, they will check your pulse. They will check your pulse and they will tell that Vata Pitta Kapha and what type of personality you are. See, some people are there who are actually born so creative, energetic, and they want to do something. See, if somebody with the Vata person, I just want to tell you, somebody with the Vata person, which is Vata is very predominant, he cannot sit. He want creative ideas. He want jumping. He want to do something. See, he cannot play the computer game. He will be not. And if you want this computer game, it should be very exciting. It should be not like a very nicely Barbie doll type of dance cut the game or something like a very peaceful or very nice, or you are just going to the forest as a fairy tale and something. No excitement. They will be not feel anything. Then there is a Pitta people. Careful, Bhavi, careful. Careful. Yeah. So just 1 second. Huh? My daughter just came, so exactly, yeah, so fine. So the Pitta people are there. So Pitta, see, any of you feel the acidity more of the time, acidity in your body? Like little bit acidity after the food or little bit like that way. So that acidity problem, lot of times exactly. How many of you feel that one? Just raise your hand. These are the people who are more of Pitta type actually. And every character has their own traits and there is a lot of specification. But this test is itself is going to give you the something very, like a out of the box experience. So we'll do that test now. How many of you feel like a cold and cough very easily? How many of you like to be stay in the home? How many of you feel like, okay, very relaxative things to be do? And they prefer to be study more. They prefer to be, like a in-house activity more compared to the going outside and playing. So please raise your hand. And there is nothing called as a good and bad. There is nothing called as the, like a correct and wrong. See, it's everybody's made of these three doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. That is your nature. Now see, that's what is there, correct? See, if you want to play the boxing, you should be very aggressive. If somebody is, like to play the boxing, you should be out the very high Vata. So if somebody having very high Kapha and he try the boxing, it will be very difficult because it is not natural preference. So we'll take the test now. So already take your pen and the diary. I'm going to your test now. So before that one, I want everybody to do 15 dips. So everybody just do the 15 dips and then we'll start the test. So I'm sharing you the
I
screen.
think most of us are going to lose the maximum weight during this
Absolutely.
session.
That's what will be help you to lose the weight. Also, you'll be get very fit, energetic by that one. See, that's what is physiology. Now, I attended this Tony Robbins program. He's the world's best into this segment of all these things. So Tony Robbins teaches the physiology changes your psychology. If your physiology is not there, your psychology will be not the proper. So remember, your psychology is directly proportional to your physiology. If I do like the workshop like this way, okay, now we'll do kapha, vata, kapha, vata, pitta, dosha test. That will help you to find out your ikigai. Ikigai is like you want to know what is your purpose of the life. It is nothing but your passion, purpose, your skill set, what society needs and what society ready pay to for you. That is what is the ikigai. Will that you people will be interested to attend my workshop? Everybody will be slipped after some time, correct? Even I give the best of the best content of the world. If I give the best of the best tools to you, nothing will work out because your physiology is not there. So all ready. So get ready for that one. So 15 nice dips. Test yourself now. So I'm giving the music also. So enjoy the music and do 15. And I'm just getting you the test on the screen and we'll do the test. So let's come everybody. So start. Come on, 15 dips, come on. Nathan, do it. Everybody, come on. Come on, 15. Everyone. Come on, guys. Come on, 15. Fifteen time, Nathan, come on. Come on, do it. Relax. Take a deep breath. Some 9 times. Take a deep breath. We are starting the test now. So keep your pen and pencil ready. I will tell you how to do the test. If anybody get any doubt or something, they can just let me know. I'm just starting sharing the screen for the test now. Okay, so all of you are now in the peak state. So we'll use this peak test exactly for okay, so this document is there. So I'm sharing the document, but please take this one. You have to just mark. So I'll just give you this one test. So you can see the screen. You can see my screen now. We are doing it practically here itself only.
No, your screen is
no screen is not visible.
It's not visible still now. Let me just share it again. Share the screen. Okay, as of now, you can see something on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so please write your name first. See, this is a unique thing. Exactly, I was working on this concept from last 1-2 years. How to, link your ikigai with your basic natural instincts. And we are going to do a lot of other activities. So at the end, everything will be clear. But as of now, do this test and know about you. This can be talk about your health. This can be talk about your mindset. This can be talk about your lot of trends, characters, and I can just tell you, like what area you can do excel exactly. Means what is the area if you go into your life there you can do excel. Like you are going to be best. So take it down now. This one. So just have the 3 columns now. So now you can have, like a first part is just write down the 3 columns, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Just make a 3 columns. Once you written your name, just make it Vata, Pitta, Kapha as a 3 columns. And what you have to do now, whenever I will tell you some character traits, I am explaining everybody. Please, people in my system, please do it also. This will give you idea about even your traits, even about your own natures. This is a mind-blowing test exactly. I will tell you how we're going to interpret it, but now do the test. So first, if you see the point is there is a character trait. I want to do it because what happened when people do it, like we give them the printout and everything. So people not understand, they don't do it. So let's do it now here. So the first question is about character trait. So in Vata, Pitta, Kapha, you have to just mark which is mostly matching to your trait. Like I like to keep busy and hate being bored. I told you, like a Vata, like somebody who really want to be busy, really want to be, like do something and all these things. Even I'll tell you, my daughter is there now. 40 days I was into the Kerala, like with her. She's just woke up now. You can see now she's playing with the 3 toys at a time. Without saying anything, I can say that one she has the Vata, very high Vata. So like this one, or somebody like very organized and detail oriented, means like they will go to the very top, everything. Just a second, is reconnecting now. By any chance, if anything is happened to my network, so please just hold on, it will be back. So don't worry about that. So somebody's like that will be like analysis. Somebody like to be, like a do detail analysis. Oh sir, you're talking about the passion, you're talking about purpose. Yeah, but what exactly it is, how I can do it and all these things. So they want too much of details. They want to do each and every analysis going into the depth. So in very organized way. Sir, if you decided 8 to 10 means it to be 8 to 10, not 10 to 10, not 10, 15 also. So it's the first question. And third category, they are like a methodologically and like to do things at their own pace. Now see, if the one task is given now, same task. Now some of you like, sir, please give me my time. Vata persons like who is having that one, he will be jump up and immediately mark. Okay, I am Vata, I done. But Kapha person, they will do very slowly but very perfectionist. If anybody has a perfectionism as a nature, I mean, you are broken that one, Darby. 1 second. Let's see what it is. Okay, she is already playing on the back. So I'm really forgive for that one. Anyway, tomorrow I'll just close the door. She just came inside now. So please understand. So how many of you got the answer now? So which one is matching? Just write there 1. Or just make a tick, whatever is there. Other places, nothing, blank. So let's take an example of Simone. Simone. Sim 1. Okay, it's very nice. Sim 1, correct? Yeah. Sorry, it's exactly, I don't know what
it's Simone.
So initially was correct, okay. Okay. Really sorry if something is like that. So let's take Simone. Now she has a beautiful smile, but she look like very organized and look like very calm. As per me, at least as of now, I don't know. But even her energy is also high. I can see that one. So I'm a little bit confused with her face now. But maybe she come into the Vata or Pitta, what I feel. So please take your own part. So Simone, it's you come. Means like you really like to be busy.
It's kind of both things. I like to be busy, but I'm also laid back. So I like to do things like around say, but have to be busy.
Yes.
Like
now, very good. She raised very important point now. See, lot of us will be there. Like Nathan is the youngest person in our group, correct? What is your age, Nathan? 8.
16.
Quite fine, yeah, it's fine. But you look like very young to your age, exactly. That's awesome. You look like 12, 13, exactly. That's what I was thinking. You are maintaining yourself very well, actually. Good. Okay. So now see, you will find out 2 things are very come closer to you sometime. Or maybe sometime some people will get confused. Yeah, sometime I want to be engaged. Sometime I want to be stay at home. Some I want to do like very fast, sometime very slow. See, these questions will be come to you. Then what the answer? Select the best one. Select the best one. Means given a point of time, given you the favorable circumstances and nobody bother you, what comes. And I want everybody to put in the chat which one is their part. And I request all the coaches, please save this chat. We are going to use this everything into the future when we will do the one-to-one coaching. So let me see. Please update into the chat. Which one is the first part? Did only wall push-ups, don't have much arm strength. Siddhi, fine, no problem. Done the push-ups already. So maybe I not seen the chat now. So I just got, but it's okay. We're done with the push-ups now. So it's fine now. You are already in the high physiology now. Let's start working on this part now. So everybody's with me. Please put in this part. Which one is your character trait now? In first part, it is a Vata, Pitta or Kapha, which you mark. So I like to keep busy and head being bored. If that is there, there is a 1 mark to the Vata, 0 mark to the Pitta, 0 mark to the Kapha. And best, even the two teams coming to the very closer, you have to select one. So let everybody please update that one. Which one is your closest one? See, this is what is going to happen. Because mother, father told do the MBA, people doing MBA, and they're selecting go to the sales. But the person is of very Kapha. If the Kapha person do the sales jobs, it will be not very successful. Anyway, don't not to be like a label completely, because some people actually come out of their comfort zone, you know, and they excel even in that all the odd circumstances, because human is an adaptable animal. So please don't label, but somebody is naturally born. Bhim was so strong, he want to use some big instrument like a gada. I don't know what they call in English in gada. Actually, the gada is there, that big weapon actually. So he has to use that one because it's very strengthful. He was not interested in the archery. But Arjuna was like a very delicate, soft, very, very handsome, very this one. He used to use the archery. So it's not mean that when something is better, something is not. Everybody has their role to play. But that is their choice. So I want to everyone to put, so please don't hold back. This test has to be completed now only. Kapha, Colin is talking about Vata. Sasha, where is Sasha? Sasha is Vata. She is my friend. Okay. I am full of Vata actually. So for me, that software job is like a punishment actually. And I have undergone punishment for 20 years of my life. I have around 17 years of experience in the field of software in this one. But that was a punishment of my life. It's not that I cannot do, but I've done, but that was a punishment for my life. So that's what I was so much connected to this project actually. What about Marjorie? So Colin Kapha, Sasha Vata, Kapha, Kotin. Okay, that's can you see Ashok Kapha, Evelyn Kapha. Yeah, we can see Vata. Nathan is Vata. Wow. But Nathan, actually, I'm doubtful. If I see your face, I'm not feeling you are Vata actually, but I have to test you. Anyway, this is the first test. I will test you. At least after seeing Ramesh Kapha, yeah, it makes the sense. Evelyn Kapha, yeah, I can see the moment. You can see the first. Josh Pitta, absolutely right. Just my first interactions, I know that one is Pitta, dominant. Now Lasil and Sasha. So Lasil and Sasha both are Vata. No, Sasha told Kapha. Anyway, Prashant is Vata. Noela Kapha. Not required practically. See, please don't feel bad. You are family only. And it's all, everybody will know everybody, each other very well. And see that Kapha person behave very differently and Vata person behave very differently. And Pitta person different very behaviorally. The moment you understand, you will understand that person why is behaving like that way. See, somebody is doing always jokes and cracking jokes and full of energy and all these things. Other people get hearted sometime, correct? He always comment on somebody. But now he is a Vata person. He wants that food. And the moment you understand his Vata, you will get a lot of peace with that person. Okay, he is naturally like that way. Somebody is not ready to play with you. How much you try? He is Kapha, full of Kapha. He wants very relaxed, very peaceful, like that environment. Now you'll understand. He'll not come and play with you cricket. You will be ready to play with the cards. He's ready to play the chess. He's, you know, like even you can divide the sports, depends on these categories. This is not covered, correct, sir? Dias, sir, it is not covered into our elder Ikigai. This is something new. I always come with something new, you know, like this was. And if you understand this test, you got your Ikigai. I will tell you how. But everybody done? Anybody is left out? Let everybody, I want everybody to involve. So Kapha, Noila is Kapha, Siddhi, Kapha. Okay, fine. A lot of intelligent people are there. Actually, the people who are very intelligent comes in the Kapha.
Ashok, you are muted if you are talking. Ashok, you are muted if you are trying to talk here.
Somebody's trying to talk.
No, Lazarus, sir. I'm not speaking to.
Acha, okay, fine.
No problem. Okay, guys. So it was very interesting. But see, I don't want to label, but generally the people who are quite intelligent and scientists, they come in the kapha category. And the people who are in the sports, even actually now like a Dhoni, you know, like the MS Dhoni, everybody know, correct? Anybody who don't know MS Dhoni? Nathan, I don't feel you are a Vata. You look like kapha only. I have to check on you exactly. I'll work. Or maybe you are like feeling, oh, my sister, my father, my all colleagues are there. So you are pretending that when not doing the naughtiness. You are allowed to do any naughtiness. You can shout. You can do whatever you want in this particular class. There is no restriction. Even if you feel to shout in between, you can shout. I don't mind that one. Okay, it's perfectly fine. So please enjoy and play. Because I see there is some stress on your face. Please don't take any stress. Just enjoy. Just enjoy the process. It's not going to be torture. No. See that Ashoka face very smiling. See that even our Lasil and Sasha, they are smiling. So they're smiling. That's what we want. Even Josh is smiling, but not like Dil se. Dil se means from the heart. He's smiling. It's okay. Subah Saturday ko utha diya 8 baje. They make me wake up at morning 8 o'clock on the Saturday. Push me. This Noel don't have any work. She forced me to wake up at the morning and do this course. Something like that, is it? Okay, so let's go to the next question. So I hope everybody done. If somebody not done, please, if you want little bit time, I'm fine with that. Then come to your personality now. Second question is the personality. I'm creative and imaginative. If you are creative and imaginative, see if I can create a course just now by talking with you. I'm so creative means like people cannot think I can get a solution to any problem just immediately. I can create something new out of nothing. That is my trend. That's why I told you I'm full of Vata. But there is a lot of side effect also that one. The Vata people are very trained to go to autoimmune disease. Vata people are trained to get, some type of lot of issues exactly in the health areas. Because they are so full of that energy, they don't get control a lot of time, So anyway, I'll come to that point. But these are the people who are like full of energy. I talk about MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni has balance. All balance. He don't have any preference. He's balanced all three. That's why he's called as a cool captain. When he's required, he's to hit 6. When he required, he can take the 1s. When he has to shout, he will shout. When he has to keep quiet, he will be keep quiet. He's a balance. Jesus, absolutely balanced. He knows Vata, Pitta, Kapha. All Vata, Pitta, Kapha was balanced. That's why he has so much of passion, so much of peace, so much of love. Even people crucified him also, still he was telling them, praying for them. Let forgive them. This can be happen only if you are the balance of these three. And the best is to balance 3 of them. Then your life will be in a very different dimension. Anyway, but come to that one, I am creative, imaginative. Somebody is like very efficient and disciplined. Efficient discipline means what? They will decide 10 tasks. They will plan it. They will be, like a very efficiently execute the task, and they will do the time management and everything very properly, and the discipline also. So they have the structure. They don't want to go out of the structure. Sir, Ikigai program. Sir, passion program. Tell about only passion. Why you are talking about other things? So this type of people sometimes. Very efficient and disciplined. Very disciplined. Means if you ask me, the like lot of people like, leaders actually, mainly the managers or the leaders, they come in this category. They are quite efficient and disciplined. So please put everybody. So let me see. Second question. So some of them patta. So anything can be happen, but choose the best one. Okay. And third one is like, I am calm, caring and patient. So now Mother Teresa was full of kapha. So if somebody like a Mother Teresa, very relaxed, nice, and like a very always loving and caring. Now somebody like if I see Josh is like a quite kapha. So I can see that one is like a loving, caring, smiling. Maybe I don't know, but I'm just guessing with the face. I don't know. Maybe sometimes some people have the mask. Not for you, okay? I'm just telling some people has mask. So they are internally very different, but they show up very differently. Because of some environment. Like see, if you are very relaxed, very nice, disciplined, loving, caring person, but if you go to the boarding school And in boarding school, you got land up into the room where all the kids are like a very naughty. Now to get survive you become naughty. That is your not nature. You show up, you try to be naughty, you try to be energetic, you try to something because you feel that is the way life is. But then there is a conflict, and you welcome to that part. So everybody done the second trend? So Vata, Pitta, Kapha, 2 questions. Everybody clear? If so, raise your both the hands. Colin, your twin brother is missing. Where he went? Where is your twins brother? Please don't go in between. This test is very important. Please do it properly.
He's just gone to the washroom. He's
okay.
going to be back.
Tell him he cannot hold for 2 hours. If you can hold, actually, like your commitment. We was holding for 7-8 hours in course, actually. You want us to feel like bladder will be busted, but we cannot go because we cannot miss a single part. Problem was the course was very costly, 5 lakhs rupees for 6 days. So you are giving 100%. So ensure that one, don't feel about the cost, but feel about the commitment. So tell him to hold. Okay. Next time, don't go to the washroom. Anyway. Now, third one is your frame. This is very simple now. Just by seeing you, I can tell this one. See, I'm thin, lanky, and slender with, like a prominent joints and thin muscles. You can see me now. You can see me now. So if you see me, it's a Vata personality card, this one. Somebody like having the very medium but symmetrical body with a good muscle development. Like if you ask me now, Colin in the call, he is quite look like the Pitta. He's quite strong. Or even you can ask me, Josh, he's look like quite of the Pitta for me. Or of the Lawrence sir, actually he is also, but I think he's quite of the Vata, what I feel. He's Vata, but he just put on the little bit of weight in the stomach because of maybe little bit physical activity, but by naturally he's not fat. Is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, it's look like. Now, so you can see that what is your frame?
6 out of the 8 are in Vata.
Oh, you already done the test. Okay, he's very fast. That itself is a Vata. Somebody who finished this test, before we were discussing the test, itself is a Vata actually. I don't have to think about twice exactly. If somebody, oh, why sir, you are telling the whole test, like if I get a book, even the teacher in the first chapter, I will go to the last chapter. That is a Vata trait actually. They cannot control. But anyway, we'll go that one. So please see your frame. And somebody has like a large, round or stocky build. My frame is broad, stout or the thick. So now these are the people actually. So they are Kapha people exactly. You can see. Like if you ask the famous personality, now Sachin is quite having the Pitta frame actually. If you see Sachin Tendulkar is a Pitta frame. That was Sachin is very excellent, but Sachin is not Vata. Sachin is Pitta Kapha Vata. His highest is Pitta, Kapha is second one, and the Vata was third. So it's nothing to do anything. So you've seen the Sachin was actually playing so nicely, but very cool-minded. You've not seen Sachin shouting so much and fighting with somebody. Now, if you take the Virat Kohli full of Vata, he will even take the bat and hit somebody if it is sometimes not happen. The Vata people are a little bit get violent sometimes, angry also very easily. But Kapha people, still nobody actually push their button very hardly. They will not react. Okay, it's okay. You are telling me stupid. It's okay. That is your problem. But Vata people, you told me stupid. Khadak. So this is a different exactly. Anyway, fourth one, your fingers and toes. Just see your fingers and toes now. So if you are long trap finger and toes, like you can see, it's like mine. It's like a Vata. If your fingers and toes are medium in length, it is a Pitta. And if your fingers and toes are short and squish, that is a Kapha. So please do and let me know all of you done this 4 tasks. Anybody has questions about, they can ask me.
Sir, I can call my frame as Pitta?
Absolutely, you are Pitta frame only. You come Pitta or Kapha, but best suit is Pitta. Quite more of them are there. So all of you done the 4 questions now. We have just another, 4 more questions, for 3 more questions. So everybody is clear. It's so simple. See, God made you unique. But when Vata persons try to do the Kapha person job, or Kapha persons try to do the Vata person jobs, there is a struggle. Extra efforts. There is extra efforts. It is like somebody very good in cricket. Now Sachin is absolutely very good in cricket. But he can pick the football also. Like even Dhoni. Dhoni was the football goalkeeper. How many of you know that? He was a goalkeeper also initially. and he can be good goalkeeper also. But there will be a lot of efforts involved, correct? Because his skill set is in the cricket now. Anyway, then eyes. My eyes are small and attractive. See that my eyes are so attractive and small, so beautiful. Okay, that's what you can just tell for yourself. Also, you can see now. So by seeing the eyes, we can get exactly. Or you'll have a very penetrating gaze. Like if you see that person's, it will be good directly. Now, if you ask me if I can see somebody's eyes, now you can see the Colin eyes exactly. In that one, one is the wearing spec, so I don't know. But who's not wearing the spec, he has this very penetrating gaze exactly. He's having that one. Beautiful. Or I have large pleasant eyes, like Aishwarya Rai. If your eyes like Aishwarya Rai, they are like a kapha. Aishwarya Rai is kapha actually. That's why she don't do like all like too much of Katrina Kaif type of movie, correct? Doom 2, Doom 3 and all. She was more of the, like what is quite love movies and everything, little bit balanced. She's not really involved into the lot of action movies, and she's not really suit also, correct? If you see, it's simple. How many of you are enjoying the process? How many of you are enjoying the process? Anybody is not enjoying the process, please raise your hand. I have a special gift from them. Anybody not enjoying the process, please raise your hand. Let me see. What about Evelyn? Evelyn, Lasil, Sasha, Josh, not enjoying, please raise your hand. I have something special for you.
I'm enjoying.
If you are not enjoying 100 dips.
I don't mind 100 dips.
Oh, wow. That's what kapha person.
But I'm struggling. I can't identify like in what category I fall for my eyes. Like, how do you find out?
Your eyes, I'll tell you, your eyes is actually vata.
Okay.
If I see your eyes, it is absolutely vata. It is a small, beautiful eyes, exactly. Penetration is also there. That's why it's confusion little bit. So in vata and pitta, it is like a little bit, just see toward me, like you are seeing toward your girlfriend. Yeah, you're more of the pitta actually. More of the pitta, exactly. You are married?
No.
No at all. Okay, actually. So there is shooting now. Or your wife will be in the background, then she will be killing me actually, correct? Anyway. What is your age? By the way, what is your age?
I'm 29.
Absolutely. So
29.
So it's a next year marriage, correct? Or this year?
Don't know.
Don't know. Okay, no plan. So you're going by default, not by design. Anyway, let's come. Okay, good. Eyes ka things done. Anybody has doubt?
Even I can't decide on the eyes.
Noila, you are very beautiful, straightforward, big eyes. You are kapha eyes. You are kapha eyes. They are quite a big, and that's how, like a pleasant. They are a pleasant actually. I can see that's a pleasant eyes. Anybody else has that? I can give you this one. If you are wearing the spec, it is very difficult for me. Now Colin Brothers is trying now. He's putting his eyes after removing the spec like this way. But he has the vata eyes actually. He's having the vata eyes.
So my eyes.
Kapha. After removing kapha. Prashanti kapha. Anybody has doubt, you can ask me. Nathan pitta.
Yeah, even I have doubt.
Okay, show me your eyes.
For the eye.
Show me your eyes. Like when should a doctor? When patient comes to us, we see their eyes also. Mouth closed, only eyes open. If you smile, then I will see your smile, not the eyes actually.
Fine.
You're this one. Vata eyes. I think you are quite vata person. What I feel. Vata eyes. Siddhi, no doubt, it's a kapha. No doubt at all. You are the 125% very sure. I don't want to ask you. It's a kapha for Siddhi. See, you will understand if it is your family members. You'll understand. For you, you are putting the next straight in the camera. Pitta. For you, pitta.
Oh, what's the face?
Denzil, I cannot see you. If you don't show your face, how I can tell you what's your pattern? Anyway, if you completed and if you got the answer, then we can move to the next part. This is going to be a game changer. I am trying to link it so many things now. Even there is a one international test which is covered into our Date with Destiny. I got a new input. That is a mind blowing actually. I'm going to share with you that also. That is like they spent 4 hours in the training. It's a very much combination with the 5 elements and even this test. But this Vata Pitta Kapha with the Ikigai is my own creative concept. Nobody done in this one till now. So I have to take a patent also once I finish this whole structure. So anyways, so because I given this idea to some people, so I feel they maybe copy my idea. But it's okay, let them copy this. I'm not bothered. Okay, then complexions, if you come, my skin is dry, rough or thin. Absolutely. When I was at the hospital, I asked them, give me some soap which is not, I get very easily dry, rough or thin. Very clean. Your skin is sensitive, reddish in color or prone to irritation. People who get a lot of skin issues, it's a pitta. And somebody has a thick, moist and smooth skin like a baby's, they are very easy to understand this one. They are kapha. It's very easy to understand. Not very difficult at all. Just touch your skin. See if you have to put, see if you are using the soap for the dryness, then you are actually kapha. If you require a soap which will be take care of the dryness, maybe more moistures and everything, you are the vata. So you'll get very easily. Wow. Yeah, it's very clear. Lasil is vata, Sasha is pitta. Yeah. Very easy to answer. This don't require any big things. Then hair. My hair is dry, brittle or frizzy. Yes, you require to put the oil. If I don't put the oil single day, I will feel I miss doing the brush and taking the bath. So for me, it is required. For somebody, hair is fine with a tendency towards early thinning or graying. Like suppose somebody now 18, 20. Now just take an example of our dear friend Josh. Now Josh hairs are gone, some hairs here and here. You know why? Because it's pitta. Actually, because of the more acidity in the body, your hair also goes, actually hair fall will be more. So wherever people has the hair fall, they are pitta. Don't require any big science. If you have the more of this hair fall, you are pitta. Anybody has doubt? I think so. Evelyn and sisters, both sisters has a very close bond actually. So beautiful. Yeah, it's to see. Nice one.
No, actually, we were discussing about the hair.
Confusion?
Sort of, yeah.
If your hair is quite a long, like Aishwarya Rai, it is a kapha. If you have to do the bob cut actually, because there is no long hairs and everything, it is more of the pitta. If you see after taking bath or taking the kangi, if your hair fall is too much, it's a pitta actually. But if you are very nice, like Kerala girls, hairs like a very black, nice, oily, a very long, still coming toward the west, they are mainly the kapha exactly. Kapha people has a very beautiful hair. And vata is like, hairs are there, but they will look like a dry. It is like they came from the Tanzania or the Cambodia, and where they don't take the bath for a long time, don't put the oil actually, so you look like that way. Then that is a vata. What happened, Noila? You are quite confused now. Your face is putting question mark. So what's the question?
I'm confused between the
kapha. You are kapha. You are kapha.
But then I have a lot of hair fall as well. So.
But that is not because of pitta. That is because of eating junk food. Maybe it is too much of bakery items, chocolates and everything is because of that one. I am correct?
No, I don't need junk.
Is it? Oh, that's good. But then what you eat? Pizza, burger?
No, I think it's just the weather.
Only weather. No, it's because of water also. If you are in a RO water, if you are using for the hairs, it gets a problem actually. Or some soap and shampoo, or maybe sometime even pitta is more in the body, even that also causes the hair fall. That's what I told you exactly. That is the main reason. But what I see from this part, it can be more matching to the kapha. Because you have the long hair will be the part of the mainly of the kapha actually. If you have long hair, that itself is mainly the kapha. But vata also can have the long hair, but they will be like little bit dry. Brittle, frizzy, not straight. Like curly hairs are there. People have curly tendency. That is a vata. Curly. curly hairs tendency. That is also Vata. So everybody's with me. Don't get confused. Select which is more closer to you. Don't get so confused. It's not like somebody will shoot you the gun. Little bit difference. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. But take a, maybe you, if you want, I will share you this paper with you. You can just go through again once more and just get it on. If some more idea comes, maybe discuss with each other. You can discuss with you and your mentor also. When you will assign the mentors, you can discuss about them also. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So everybody's with me. Now everybody take your both the hands. We'll do Bhastrika for 3 rounds now. I want your physiology again. What is a Bhastrika? One of the beautiful pranayama to make your energy flow, to make your concentration improve, to reduce the stress and to increase your lung capacity. It is a very good if you do it regularly, even for the, you know, like one second. Even you do it for the 3-4 times in a day, you will see that your energy is increasing like that. So how to do? Just put you both the hands here. Then you inhale, exhale. So everybody will do 20 times. Come on, all together. Start. Inhalation up, exhalation down. Do it a full like a vigor, full like a warrior. It's called warrior breathe. Everyone. Relax. 20 strokes. Yes. Then let's get normalize the breathe. Only contraindication if somebody has the high blood pressure, do it slowly. But I see all young people are there, so nobody has blood pressure issue. I hope so. But nowadays, no guarantee. We get people in the 20s, they have the blood pressure issue. Then comes a very important part. Memory. Now this is where kids will be connected nicely. Memory. How is your memory? Short-term memory is good, but forget quickly. Very easily. You know, like they will remember everything, but they'll forget also. But they will be remind. They have the photographic memory. They have the photographic memory. So they can forget the name, numbers, and them easily. Even, you know, like I know Novella now for like Novellas. But after some time, I can even forget her name for some time. But then I will remember photographically. The moment I see her, I can immediately connect. So like a photographic memory. But somebody has a very good short-term and long-term memory, very logical and really forget. Like, array, it's like awesome. Both short-term as well as long-term, not one. Both. They are the pitta. Means even somebody is not given them chocolate at the age of 7, they will still remember that one. My friend is not given me the chocolate. He's given to everybody. So even that is a pitta. Another is kapha. I take my time to learn things, but once I learn, I rarely forget. These are the dangerous means, like very, very committed people. So they will be go very slowly. Means, you know, like instead of learning 3 subjects, they will learn 1 subject, but they will give their best and they'll remember everything in that subject. These are the kapha people. So please put how many of your memory in which direction. Yeah, it's quite sure. Joshka is pitta. Let me just see the chat. Where is the chat gone? Kapha, okay, Noila is kapha, okay. But yeah, it's possible. They don't want to be 10 things to be done. They want 1 thing to do and do it best and properly, correct? So these are the people actually, they like that way. So they are not a multitasker. They are not multitasker. When they want to study, they will study. They will not do the study by watching the TV. Either they will watch the TV or they will do the study. Even more significance. So everybody clear?
I am confused between Vata and Kapha, though I feel I am more towards Vata.
Just give me, you know, like tell me one simple thing. Can you do multitasking?
No. Okay. I get distracted very easily, so I need to be concentrating only on one thing.
That is, I think so, because of the pattern, but not look like you are in that particular direction. You are not a Vata at all. I don't think so. It is mainly, I think so, Pitta. Your memory part is in Pitta. You have got short-term memory and long-term memory, logical and rarely forget, but I think so it's because of maybe vitamin deficiency sometime. or because of the proper food habits, or maybe sometime of even the stress level is high, we tend to be go out of this one. But generally, you are not look like a vata to me exactly. By your
Okay.
eyes and expression, I don't think so. It is can be come into the kapha or the pitta. So
Yeah,
maybe
still I was confused which one does this fall into.
you ask me, tell me one thing. So, which one is your favorite subject?
Favorite subject? It used to be either art or it used to be science.
Okay, now which one is your favorite subject?
Now there is no such favorite subject.
You're doing job now.
Yeah.
Okay, which field?
UX designer, user experience designer. So
Okay,
so I
awesome.
like that. So you could say that is my favorite subject right now.
You
Understanding people.
you enjoy your job?
Yes.
Absolutely, it's a kapha. You are kapha, no doubt.
Okay.
You are absolutely no doubt at all. Exactly. That's what I feel. You are a very clear. This one, what you can call as the artistic person. Exactly. That's what my even the first impression was that one only. You are like an artistic or painter or somebody like that way, or a designer something. It's absolutely matching with that. Perfect. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Now, very simple sleep pattern. Very simple. Very light sleeper with a tendency to awaken early. No doubt. For me, like even I'm dead tired, but if somebody came or something is happened, I believe we recognize it. These are the Vata people. Disturb sleep. If you are disturbed sleep, but if see nowadays disturbed sleep is because of lot of other factors, so lot of stress, tension, gadgets, mobile addictions. But general pattern is very different. So they are a light sleeper. Then moderately sound sleeper, usually needing less than 8 hours to feel refreshed. These are the pitta. But kapha people, they can sleep anywhere, every time, anywhere. They can sit even in the standing position. And even you give them the 24-hour sleep, they will be enjoy that one. These are the kapha people. Yeah. Okay, this is, and now very simple test. But don't go to the, like a corona test. It's a body temperature. So what's your body temperature? When your hands and feet are usually cold, and you prefer the warm environment, then it is like you are, I don't like the AC. So that itself is like a vata. Then some people, they are usually warm regardless of the season. So if you touch their hands and the feet, you'll find out them warm. So very easy now in Bangalore, if you are in Bangalore, very cold. In Mumbai, it is warm, but still your hands and feet will be cold, then it is a vata. If your hands and feet and the hands are quite warm, whatever season, even the cool season, you are pitta. And these are the people who are very adaptable to the most temperature. Do not like the cold, wet days because they get kapha. So you don't like the cold season, then definitely you are kapha. Because your kapha problem increases in the cold season. So everybody's with me. Raise your hands if you are still with the body temperature. Very simple test. Just touch yourself and you can see. Feel the warmness, too much of warmness. The pitta. Simple.
So if my body feels warm, but I usually feel very cold in general.
That is different.
But my body is usually warm.
That is this one. What you can, you are adaptable to temperature. You don't like the cold, exactly.
Yes, so if I'm in a cold, I don't like cold. So if I go in a colder environment, it becomes colder. And if I'm in a very hot environment, then my body is really warm.
Kapha.
Like it will be hot.
Absolutely kapha. You are absolutely kapha. There is no doubt. I think so your maximum is coming kapha. Kapha. Okay. Then comes the very important emotions.
Even I'm confused about the body temperature.
Yeah, let me know.
Warm, but I think if I get into extreme cold temperatures, I might not like it, like extremely cold.
No, yours is kapha actually. In a body temperature part is a kapha. It's kapha. No doubt exactly. Anyone else has the confusion? Or should we move to the next question? Say thumbs up. If you are to move to the next question, say thumbs up. Show thumbs
Even
up here. Yeah.
I can't pick between Vata and Pitta.
Who is this?
Sasha.
Sasha, can I see you? I'm not able to see you. Sasha, where is Sasha? I can't see.
It's under Lassel and Sasha.
Let me just go. Yeah, I can see now. You okay, Sasha? So what's exactly the confusion now here?
So I don't like the AC, but at the same time, I don't like warm environments. Like I'd rather be in a cooler climate than a warmer climate.
Pitta, absolutely Pitta. Even the way you're talking, it's look like a Pitta. Your voice itself, they are the good voice actually, very balanced type of voice, not like very shouting or not like very dim also. But Kapha people will be have the dim voice, and Vata will be like always top of the world. They don't require the speaker and they can shout actually like that. It's the difference.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, guys, so let's move to the emotion. I tend toward anxiety, fear, and nervousness when stressed commonly. If you are easily get stressed out, anxious, angry, is Vatas. Now, people in my coaching system, they will understand me better if they understand this test. So I get angry on them whenever these things are happen. If they don't complete the homework, they don't do everything, I get angry. So they feel, oh, sir, why is getting angry? But that is my natural. God made me like that way. Even I'm very playful, joyful, but that's what anxiety will be there. Fear will be there, nervousness will be there. See, this is so beautiful part. We are talking about so many modern tools and techniques to find out the passion, purpose. But I'll tell you this one tool is enough. I can tell you what is your passion and purpose without asking you. If you get me proper this particular part, I can tell to you, you know. So I'm going to work a lot in this area now because this is very helpful. And then you can divide the categories of the careers. We can divide the categories of the sports. You know, like some sports require kapha, like chess. Tell me the chess, which type of people will be succeeded in the chess? Vata, Pitta or Kapha? Let's see. Let's have the question answer. Who will be the best in the chess? Who will be the
in Kapha?
Kapha.
So Prashanti told Kapha, somebody else told Kapha. Anybody has any other answer? Who will be the succeeded in the chess a lot? Like Vishwanathan Anand. No,
Pitta.
Sorry?
Pitta.
Pitta.
Actually, he will be Kapha, Pitta, Vata. Means like Kapha will be the pro-dominant. So he will be the Kapha person. Very intelligent, very peaceful. And this one. So also you can see their patterns. Siddhi maybe can be a good chess player actually. He played or not, I don't know, but she can be a good chess player. Sometimes we don't get a chance. Sometimes preferences changes. Sometimes life is not preferring you in the way you want. So we miss, but it's not maybe that one. But if you put yourself, it can be happen. Okay, now come. I tend towards irritability and anger when stressed. So these are the Pitta people. So these Pitta people are, they get irritable. Means like that irritating people actually. These Pitta people are a little bit irritating. Because they'll ask you so many questions without taking the decision. It's like, I'll give the example. Somebody go to the shopping mall, see hundreds of the dresses or the saris or something, and don't buy single one. These are the Pitta. So Sasha, is it happen? Sasha, she goes and sees so many things and buying one itself is difficult.
I think I'm more of a Vata person here. I tend towards being anxious.
Vata means, even I want to buy my house, I will decide in one day. Even I do money is there.
No,
like that is the Vata people. They take decisions so fast, they jump up. They will jump first and they will see what was the depth of the water.
No, not like that.
They are more of Vata. So this is anxious, fear and nervousness. But these are the irritability and anger when stressed out. Or generally they are not angry. Or they were not irritating generally, but when their button is pressed for a long time, they will be create the issue. They will be stressed out. I think you are more of Pitta. I'm not saying this more of Vata, but let's see exactly. And these are the people, Kapha people, they are very become withdrawn, depressed or attached when stressed. So, I find out the people who get depressions of Kapha Pravritti very much. You will, if you are the depression patterns, you will see that when you are kapha, your dominant is kapha, second is pitta, third is vata, or kapha, vata, pitta also can be there. If you tend to get depression very easily, and they withdraw on, suppose now if I just shout, take an example, Sasha, to understand. Now you just shout on Sasha, maybe for some reason. Maybe tomorrow I give on the homework, she don't do, and shout on the Sasha. Now vata persons will be not bothered that much. Pitta persons will get anger or irritable after some time. But kapha person will be withdrawn. Oh, why sir he shouted on me? What mistake I done? He should not have shouted on me. And she will be disconnected with me lifetime. Just for example. Just for example. But vata persons, even they fighted with somebody, after 1 hour he will be fine. He will be fine. He'll forget what was the fight for. They even don't remember what was the fight started for. Lasil and Sasha is having the good things. Both of you are, what's the relationship?
Married.
Okay, wow. But both of you look like your brother, sister also, you know.
Oh, God.
This one, that one. But very good chemistry. I think so. You are a very good couple actually. Yeah. Nice. But both of are different actually. We'll see after that.
Yeah, very different.
Very different. Yeah, that can I see. Lasil is like more of, I look like a kapha only, I think so.
Vata, I was just telling him he's very...
Oh, is it? Okay, we'll see. So anybody has question? Just sometime I'll finish. Yeah, so emotions. So everybody clear about the emotions? Very simple. Emotional people become anxiety disorder. The vata people are more tend to the suicide actually. In an anxiety mode. Pitta people will not do suicide 99%. But kapha people will do suicide because of depression. So anybody do the suicide for depression is the kapha. Anybody that done the suicide because of anxiety is the vata. Anyway, we not done suicide, so that's why we are here. So we can, this example is not so perfect exactly, but just to make understand. See, if your pattern is anxiety, anxious, what will happen next? Oh, I have to go to the airport, and if you 5 minutes late, you get very anxious. Already you only done the mistake of starting late, but you are anxious now already. So these are the people vata. But these people very depressed. Oh, now 5 minutes late. Now it's all mistake is happened. Now if I miss the flight, what will happen? And they will create the whole picture of the life. Now their whole life is gone. That one flight is missed, their whole life is gone. So these are the kapha people. Pitta will be fine in these particular circumstances. Still, you know that when I will make it up, they will be fine. But if really their flight is missed, then they will be get angry. Still, but persons with vata and kapha will be go to extreme. Vata will be anxious. Oh, let. If I miss the flight, what will happen? So it will be anxiety mode. Jumping. Kapha person create a whole negative picture. Like flight is missed, hotel booking is gone, no refund, everything is lost. This was a big, like whole world is fall down on them. So everybody change to pitta. Okay. So this is better actually. So like this, people will be not comfortable in that one. But now simple and the most, very simple and most money. How you play with the money. Very simple to understand how you play with the money. I spend money, impulsive money is there to be used. This is vata people, they don't bother. Pitta people, I plan my spending monies for achieving a purpose. Yes, I'm ready to spend, but why I'm spending? I want to drink the water. If there is a normal water available from the filter, they will take that one instead of spending money on the mineral water. Because they'll feel, is it required? Maybe this mineral water is the same way. Even my filter is the same way. If I have the water, so like that way. And they will plan. If they have to go to shopping, so okay, let's 2,000 rupees I'll spend on the clothes, 2,000 rupees or something. They will not land up like that way. But the vata persons will be buy the iPhone, even he don't know the features, he want it or not sometime. But kapha people, oh baapre baap. Means take out money from them is like taking their kidney. Means you have to take their kidney actually out. When you have to give the money, they will feel like we ask for their kidney actually sometime. And they will be like spend reluctantly. Even they're required to buy something, they will be, oh no, they will go select 5 dresses, then think, okay, maybe I have their home, another 5 dresses are they're not required. Why to waste money? Let's save. So these are people, they like a lot of saving actually. So they have good bank balance. Instead of experience, they believe on the saving. So these are the Kapha people. Now put your score now. Now put your score. So what is Vata, what is Pitta, what is Kapha? Just put the score like VPK. V means how much is came. Like my case, it's near about 99% all in Vata only. So there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 questions are there. So in out of 13, how much is Vata, how much is Pitta, how much is Kapha? It is very important. Total. So Vata, Kapha. So like my place is Vata, it comes to 11 something. Simone, Vata is 3, Pitta is 2. Is it 12 questions or 13 questions? Let me just...
12 questions, Rakeshji.
Well, okay, perfect. So Simone is a Kapha and Vata. Oh, good. Prashanti is full of Kapha. Yeah, I know that one, Kapha Pitta. I've seen that one everywhere. So this is Rupesh Dharne. Very confused personality, that's why. Because just having the good balance, 5, Pitta and Kapha. And then Vata. Yes, that's quite good balance, Ridhoshas. Good one. Pitta, Kapha, Vata. Then Josh, Pitta, Vata. Yeah, that's what we know. Awesome. Sasha, Pitta, Vata. Wow, awesome. It's not awesome. Anything is not awesome exactly. It's okay. Siddhi, Kapha 4, Vata 7. Oh, Siddhi is Vata Kapha. Okay, good combination. Pitta is less. Okay. Lasil, full Pitta and Vata. Oh, no Kapha at all, huh? Good. But it's Pitta personality. That's what I told you. It's quite Pitta and Kapha. Good. No, sorry. Yeah, Pitta and Vata. Ashok, Pitta, Kapha, Vata. Yes, absolutely. There is no doubt about you, Ashok. I know you. Prasanna, Pitta, Kapha, Vata. Yes, yes, yes. We can see. See the people with Pitta or Kapha. Just, like I tell them something, they'll be going to that one. Noela, Vata 1. Give me all, Noela. Pitta, Vata, Kapha, all. In one place. Gurlin, Vata 3, Pitta 3, Kapha 6. Absolutely Kapha. See now, one thing I got. Here, 90% group is Pitta and Kapha predominant. I have to change my course completely for you people. Because there is no more of Vata people. So I have to give a little bit of more statistics, more facts and figures, and all this particularly. Okay. Lakshmi, Kapha, Pitta, Vata. Yeah, I can, without saying, I can tell you about. Evelyn. Oh, one person I got of my tribe at least. Vata 6. 6 plus 4 plus 1. Something is calculation wrong, Evelyn. So just check. It is 11. It should be 12. But it look like a Vata Kapha. Quite a balance in that one, but Pitta is less. Noela is 7, 5. Kapha, Pitta is balanced. Yes, I can see your face. It's absolutely correct. Marjorie. Wow, what a balance. 5, 4, 3. Awesome, guy. Nathan, Pitta, Kapha, Vata. That's what I was very sure. That's why Nathan, you was telling Vata. I told you are not Vata. I was very sure in that part itself only. Colin, Vata 3. Colin gets him in one place. Vata, Pitta, Kapha in one place. Okay. Now we are going to do a breakout room for the next 10 minutes. So in breakout rooms, we'll be have a breakout room where we'll be have this test and we'll be share your life story. Your life story with these people. So 3 people. So exactly what's exactly you learn from this exercise. What is your life story? What is your preferences? How you look like and everything. What you learned till now. So to discuss with these people. So we have total how many people? Let me stop the sharing now. So we have 18 participants all together. So I will make exactly 9 breakouts room or 6 into 3. So 3 people in a group. So let's have the 3 people in the group. So the 3 people have to share their life story and whatever they learn, at least one things. So I'll give you exactly 10 minutes. So before we go to the next part. So let's get ready. Please assign yourself. I'm just putting in the breakout room now. Breakout rooms assign automatically. So I'm creating the 6 breakout rooms now. So created. So Lasil, Nathan and Denzil will be in the one room. Lakshmi, Mangla and Siddhi will be in the one room. But I just want to move some people from somewhere. So Denzil, Lasil and Sasha and Nathan.
Denzel, I think there are two, right? Denzel and Dexter.
Oh, if some two people are in the room, then I will just move from
Dexter
them.
didn't join.
Oh, already started.
So okay, I'll just make the Denzel from here. Move to room number 6. Okay. So Lasil, Sasha, and Nathan will be one room. Okay, I'm just moving Lakshmi to their room, actually room number 1. So she can take care of them because I want one coach also to be there because they are trained lot. Mangla and Siddhi will be there in one place. Nathan, Noela, and Shiva. So in this one, Noela and Nathan both are brother, sister?
There are two Nathans. One is Dad, Lazarus. So you might be confusing one person with him. So
but
Nathan,
I don't want a family member. I don't want family members. I want you to get freedom. I don't want exactly, at least not a blood relation. Maybe blood relation will be there, but not immediately your father and daughter or brother and sister, husband and wife. Let me just distribute them.
So Nathan is my cousin, but you've already put him with Lasil and Sasha.
Fine. So let's have we. Josh, Prashanti, and Simoni will be there. Colin, Marjorie, Rupesh will be there. Ashok, Evelyn, and Denzel will be there. So if anybody is missing, please let me know. So I'm opening all the rooms. You will have exactly 10 minutes. 9:45 will be back. We'll summarize your experience and we'll have some assignment for you. So before that one, so I'm opening the room. Please join the rooms now. So rooms are open. Your time start now. Please join the room. I will go to each room in between.
What do we have to do?
Just join the breakout rooms now, and you have to share your story. So these people will be, guide you exactly. So everybody, Siddhi, please join the room. Lakshmi, join the room. Lakshmi and Lasil, please join the room. Lasil, Sasha. Siddhi, please join the room. Marjorie, you still not joined. Please join the room. Oh, awesome. Everybody join the room. So please just discuss about that.
Depends again on the person. If the person is really close to me and did a very because I'm attached to that person and
just checking how is going on, Shiva. It's absolutely fine. Okay.
Absolutely good, sir.
So if that person is really close to me and
that is the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'll be moving.
Just to check how is going on. Just to check Manglaji and Siddhi, how is going on? Good. Any help is required?
Yes, sir.
It's going good.
Okay. Then all the best. Keep on going.
Yeah.
When you are at your peak physiology.
Just 1 second, Lakshmi. How is going on? Lasil and Sasha, how is going on? Any help is required?
Good.
Yeah. Doing good? Okay. So
Yes,
Lakshmi is
sir,
doing good. Okay, fine. All the best.
Yeah.
Going to college for 3 years, but
Josh, Simone, Prashanti, just a second. How is going on? Any doubt? Everything is going on good? Simone, Josh?
Yes, yeah.
Prashanti is
Going
good?
great.
Prashanti is good?
Yes. She's just guiding us on what to say.
Okay. Perfect. Continue. Perfect.
Okay.
All the best.
Yes.
Life we are expecting.
Rupesh, just a second. Colin Marjorie, just to check how is going on. Any questions, any doubt?
Yeah, he cleared all the doubts.
Yeah.
Clearing. So how is Rupesh going on? Good? Any help is required? Perfect. Okay, so continue then. Continue. Another 3 minutes are there. Continue. Okay. Perfect. Keep on going.
Human beings are a combination of multiple things.
Just a minute, Ashok. So Denzil, 1 second, Ashok. Denzil, Evelyn, how is going on? Any questions, any doubt? Ashok, how is going on? Fine?
Yeah, good Rakesh ji.
Ashok is good?
He started late, Rakesh ji. So I told him that whatever he missed, I'll give the heads up after the call.
Perfect. Continue. So another 2 minutes are there. So please wind up now. Okay. So I'm just going. Last 60-second, guys. So you have to finish, wind up, and come back to the main room. We have some important things to do. Welcome back, Siddhi. So hope you enjoy the session. Okay, everybody will come in another 9 seconds. Okay, guys, so welcome back to the main window. So it's a time for celebration before we go to the next part. So everybody please stand up and celebrate your win now. See what purpose we are doing this exercise. Please understand that one now. So let me close the all rooms. Everybody, I'm sharing the screen. Please stand up and enjoy the music and create the magic for the next 4 minutes. Start. Live. Never be, stand up and dance. Never be same again. Just enjoy.
We can't hear you. We can't
Just
hear
dance.
the voice, Rakesh.
Yeah.
What happened? You
We
are not
can't
able
hear
to
the
hear.
voice.
You can't hear the voice.
The music.
We can't hear the sound, music.
Okay, so let's go now and start. So now you can see. Come on, guys, dance like everything. Just give it the best. Stand up, everybody, stand up. Stand up and act out that is the dance. We say same again. Come on, guys, dance. Dance, Evelyn. Come on. Come on, everyone. Come on, guys. Jump. Come on, guys, jump up. Be champion. Come on, everyone, dance. Never be same. Come on, everyone. Vicky, come on. Everyone. Noila, come on. Come on, Simone. Come on, Nathan. Dance. Come on, Denzel. Come on, dance. Denzel, dance. Come on. Marjorie, come on. Come on. Noila, dance. Please dance, everyone. Clap. Come on, everyone, come on. Come on, guys, enjoy it. Come on. Jump. Stand up, jump. Everybody jump up. Colleen, jump up. Come on. Come on, guys, jump. Come on. Live your life with the passion, guys. Come on. Okay, come back, come back. Hope you enjoyed the dance. Who was not able to hear the music? Evelyn, it was fine afterwards. Raise the thumbs up. How many of you enjoyed? Okay, so let's come to the important point now. How many of you enjoyed the breakout rooms? So every breakout room has one coach, correct? So that will be your group now. So that person will be your mentor in that group. So these are people from our coaching system. So they will be help you for the next whole week. So anyway, today I don't want that much, but maybe you can connect them for any help in the WhatsApp. You can call them. They will help you as much as possible. So I'm going to now something very important exercise. So welcome to this particular beautiful journey. I'm sharing the screen. You can see the PPT, correct? You can see my Ikigai PPT now. Can everybody see the PPT? Everybody can see? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, there are some things exactly. So please connect from the laptop for better experience. Because I seen Colin Brothers was not dancing actually. I was very happy with dancing with Evelyn. She was doing very good. Siddhi was doing good. Rupesh was doing good. Even Noila was little bit holding. Why hold? Just dance. Life is for celebration. But Kapha people will be have the problem. Why to dance immediately? Yeah? This Pitta Kapha will be there. Vata people will be ready for anything. Nathan was not dancing at all. Why? Should dance. I not seen others. Maybe their video was not on. Anyway, Denzil was just listening the music and enjoying the music only. But this was not to just listen to do, so enjoy. So remember, keep your water bottle, pail, pencil, notebook, papers handy. You know, please go to the washroom prior to the session. So you'll not miss the time into that particular time. Yeah. So if very uncomfortable, yeah, then it's fine. But just try. Wear comfortable clothing because you're going to do a lot of exercise. Use your headphones for better audio quality. And if you are something like this way, wireless, you can use them actually so you can dance and you can enjoy it. So if you are the Bluetooth or the headless, or if you are the full environment where you can put on the speaker and enjoy, nothing like that. With beautiful speaker, you put, close the room and dance, do whatever you want, jump. You can enjoy it, everything if you are that one. Okay, tomorrow please join before the session 5 minutes. And just ensure that 2 hours you have because this every minute is important. That's all, that's what is there. See, now I'm coming to some theoretical part. So just to give, Ikigai is finding your own recipe for a successful as well as a satisfied life. It will be unique to you. Remember that it is absolutely normal. You are struggling to find it. Keep searching and don't settle unless you really find it. Next whole week, we are going to work on this one. Every day you will be having your coaching call. Coaches will be available to you, as well as we are going to work on this differently. So remember, this is a very deep process. And that day you find out your life will be never same again. I will tell you your life will be never same again. I will tell you your life will become a celebration. Still, you are not starting leaving your Ikigai, but if you discover that one and you understand that roadmap, your life will be not same again. So it will be like such a beautiful feeling that you cannot express in the words. I'll tell you the day I discovered this, everything is clear. My life took the U-turn. I'll come back to this part. Okay, so why this Ikigai? See now, and why you have to understand this one now before you know like a go. See, 87% people, this is a Gallup study where it shows that when 87% people who go to the job, they don't know why they're going to the job. And they're doing the job which they don't like, they don't love. So can you understand the biggest problem? If suppose tomorrow you take a job or the career or something that you really don't like, what will happen? Every day is day off. What? What will happen? That's something which you don't like and you have to do every day. What will happen?
Every day will be a pain and it will have mental stress and body effect as well.
Every day it will be frustration, my dear friends. You are struggling. It's just because it gives the money, it gives the resources you are doing. But what will be that one? Nothing. And do you live by, like a design or default? That's why I asked you initially also. So they just drag themselves to the morning for each morning. You just, like they feel discouraged waking up. So this is a study. So I'm not going in the detail, but just remember that part. But these are the 13% people who rule the world. They enjoy the life. They are the most happiest people and they really, really love their life. What is the difference between them? Because they just wait to that, go to that work. They really, like they are craftsmen of their own profession, because they are loving their work so much. So that passion, that purpose, everything is coming. And when you are the master in your field, the money flows like anything. Money is a secondary. Because if you give the best and if you are top 5% people in the world into that field, money will be flow to you. So remember that one. So, do you want to ignite your passion to get to the work, or means like your study or whatever? So just don't dream your life, live your dream. We'll come to this point. I just want to give some important workshop. So this is about me anyway. So it's like a lot of credentials are there, but just to tell that one, but they are no help exactly if you are not there. So my life is transformed 360 degrees the moment I find out my Ikigai. Ikigai is a very deep word. Passion is a very small part of the Ikigai. Passion is a small part of the Ikigai. And the day you are clear with Ikigai, your life will be changed. So anyway, this is my family, my wife, my daughter. So they are the most important resource and amazing things exactly. Okay. So what is Ikigai? It is reason to get up in the morning, reason of your being, and it is your purpose of the life. Don't play the mobile calling. We'll concentrate there exactly because you're going to do some homework now. So I'm giving some homework. Your coaches will be help you for that one. Okay, I'm not going to the Maslow's hierarchical model or something now, but I just want you people to do some exercise. See, remember this Ikigai will be take your life to the different purpose. I'm not explaining you theory because I want everybody, all these young kids to really passionate and do more of the exercise part, not the theory. So something that you love doing, something that world needs, something that pays you well, something that you are good at. Can you see that one when these all things combine together and you are really living your that particular life, what and how it will be look like. So this is your homework for the today. This is called as a square of time exercise. So everybody, Colin, please concentrate here instead of talking with each other. Please concentrate. So you have to do today this exercise and coaches will be help. I'm going to close the call in 1 minute. So coaches will be help you these 4 questions. So coaches, please schedule your call with your people. So you know which people you are in the team. So just inform them into the group now. I will ask the Lawrence sir now to help me. I'm not explaining the exercise. Your coaches will explain you this exercise and first versions will be created by today. Tomorrow I will repeat the exercise again, but I want these first versions to be done. Things that you love and you are good at. But I want to do this exercise in different way. I just want you to write things you love. So please understand, coaches, we are creating a different structure for the kids. I will share with you. Please use that one for them. So, and I'm done with the today's workshop. I will just check with the coaches exactly. Let me just stop. And one request for all of you. I'm seeing some of you are, see that Colin is talking with his friend or the mother. See, I want your 100% participation. I think so. They are on muted or what? I don't know. Even they're muted or what. I'm not seeing they're 100% participated. I'm a very strict teacher actually. So both of them are talking with each other. Colin brothers. So please understand that one. My energy depends on your concentration because for me, this is the biggest problem. If somebody is in the screen and if you see that when they're not concentrating, I lose these things exactly because I feel that when they are not understanding the worth of the program. And this is a practical things. So I just going to, your coaches will become now. So this, I will be on the call with the coaches. They will be scheduled the call as per your flexibility and they will make you do this exercise one version with you. Second versions you have to do on your own. And third version tomorrow morning, I will do with you. Because this with your Vata Pitta Kapha and these versions will take you to next level. So this is going to be the very practical program. So maybe another 1 minute only. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please remember your coach ka things. We have to maintain the timing. So I'm closing the call if you don't have any question. But if anybody has some genuine question or something, I'm fine for 1 or 2 minutes max. So Colin is very happy with Rupesh. Rupesh is amazing. So good. So what about others? People don't like their coach. If you like your coach, please type your coach name and tell them they are amazing. Shiva is amazing too. Yes, Shiva is amazing. So Shiva's group, Novella is there and I think so Nathan is there, correct? So please keep your groups. You have to create your WhatsApp group also. After this call, I'm going to talk with these people. So they will give the exercise to you. You have to do one exercise with your coach. Second version you have to do on yourself. Third version I will do. Prashant is amazing. Thumbs up. Yeah, Josh is happy. Siddhi is also happy. Mangla is amazing person. Yes. Shiva is the best. Wow. East or West, Rakesh is the best. So that's what you can put. Like, this is my, like when I was in USA, my niece is there. So when I used to play with her, I used to tell her that when East or West, Rakesh is the best. She used to tell, no, East or West, Kia is the best. Her name is Kia. So she used to take. Lakshmi is awesome. Wow. So Lasil and Sasha is also happy. So type for your sim. So who is missing? Ashok is not good, huh? Ashok, Ashok, you have to improve a lot because your people are not appreciating you. So they don't like you, Ashok. Who was your people exactly? They don't like you. Who was there? Yes, Marjorie also is happy with Rupesh. But who was your people, Ashok? They don't like you exactly. Who was in your team? Ashok.
No, Denzel is the best.
Denzel, okay, Ashok is the best. Okay. Ashok is amazing. Evelyn Khalsa. Yeah, Evelyn was there. Okay. So both of them were the, like a sweet sisters. Okay, guys. So we are fine. We are done for the day. So let's, say yourself, I am amazing. First thing, understand you are amazing. And how are you? Who are you? Please accept yourself as you are first. And this exercise will be help you to create your next version. And people who are not in a job, they have time to choose their career. They have time to choose their passion. Who are already there, maybe they can take some decisions if there is some type of changes are required. And this is going to be something very amazing. Yeah, Ashokji. Yes. Yeah, tell me your query, your block, your freeze. Yes. Okay, he's freeze, I think so. Others can hear and listen me. Raise your hand if you can hear and listen me. Ashok is freeze, I think so, correct? Ashok, please type something. Okay, he gone already. I think so because of the maybe bandwidth problem. So I think so everybody is happy with them. If somebody is missing, yeah, Ashok, yeah, tell me.
Urlin and Avlin are sisters and they are in one group. So we are okay with that.
Fine. It's fine. Anyway, we are discovering the Ikigai. They can help each other. Not an issue exactly. I just wanted that live story card, deep things. But I think so it is quite, we'll go with that one. When you record, we'll change. But as of now, it is fine. Nothing to be worried. It's fine. Absolutely fine. Any other question? Rupesh, Noela, Josh? Josh, where is the Josh?
No,
where is the Josh? No question. Nathan's face is smiling now. I am happy to see smile on the face. That is good. Prashant is smiling. Colin Brothers' mother was there, I think so, correct? Colin Brothers, please unmute. Your mother? Very good. But then you are talking with mother. So talk with mother, but definitely when you are doing the exercise, please concentrate. Other times, like a mother is God, so talk with your mother, no problem. So absolutely good. Simone?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes, no questions.
How much happy? How much happy?
Very happy.
This much. Okay, still this much. Oh no, I was thinking this much. Okay.
That you can see it, so that's why this much.
Okay. Lasil and Sasha. Okay, awesome. See, the moment you'll understand each other, life will be more better and more crispy. Siddhi? Happy? Okay. Marjorie? Absolutely. Okay. Evelyn and you please send both of your name exactly. So I will see both of them to already enjoying. So I don't have to ask them also. Because they dance, when you do the dance, that shows the reflections of your state of the mind. So just free of yourself. So Manglaji is happy? Lakshmi happy? Ashok Prasanna happy?
Yes, sir. It's very enjoyable.
Yeah, Denzil, so Ashok help Denzil actually, whatever he missed.
Yes.
So anyway, I'm providing you the recording. If you miss something, you can go with recording. But you cannot create the same experience in the recording. So please inform them. If they can manage to come, give them recording now only. I will send you in some time. But still, I request everybody to join live session. On time and live.
Yeah,
session.
okay. Yeah, okay, sir.
So Shiva is happy? Okay, Shiva is already got too late actually because he's from USA. So let's find now. So thank you guys. So love you all. So say yourself, I am amazing and we are done. So have a beautiful day. and we'll just do the one prayer actually. It is from the Saint Francis prayer actually. It's called Serenity prayer. So just adopt Namaskar Mudra and just say yourself, whichever God you pray, not an issue exactly. So this is, oh God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. The courage to change the things I can. And the wisdom to know the difference. Thank you guys. Love you. See you then tomorrow morning. Chalo, thank you. So clap yourself, pat yourself. You are in the world's 4% people who thinks about their passion. So pat right, pat left. Okay, both sides. Okay, chalo, thank you. Good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Any questions? Put in the WhatsApp. Okay? Yeah.
So do you have WhatsApp group for this?
Yeah, there is already group, but I have to be, like a God.
You need to add us.
So Novella has to add me. Either she should give me the admin privilege, then I can add all the coaches, or you have to add that one, something, whatever is there. That's what I sent to the Loris sir message also. So we'll add all of you into the group now, okay? Don't worry. Novella, please do that help.
Okay.
Just either give me the admin privilege so I can add all the coaches who are actively involved into this system, okay? Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy. Don't worry anything. Just enjoy. Enjoy yourself.